felt like I was running on a treadmill that wouldn't stop. My skin was dull, my energy was crashing at 2 p.m., and my relaxing was just doom scrolling. So I decided to reset my entire system. For the next 14 days, I'm living by ancient Japanese wellness rules in the middle of a chaotic city. No cheating. Let's see if this actually changes anything. First up, hara hachibu. It means eating until you are 80% full. In a culture that loves full plates, this felt illegal. The goal isn't starvation, it's stopping before the food coma hits. It's harder than it looks. In Japan, bathing isn't just for cleaning, it's for unclenching your soul. I replace my quick showers with a slow, hot soak every single night. This forces you to be alone with your thoughts. Terrifying at first, therapeutic by day 3. Forest bathing. It sounds fancy, but it's literally just walking in nature without listening to a podcast. No headphones, just trees. I usually walk to burn calories. This time I walk to slow down my brain. Instead of checking emails in bed, I started moving immediately. Nothing intense, just waking up the joints. At the 3rd day of this challenge, I was hungry. I wanted to finish my plate, and I slept like a baby that night. Okay, so now the skin is glowing. I haven't used a filter in 2 days. Also, I don't feel that afternoon crash anymore. By the 10th day, I realized I've been rushing through my life for no reason. Slowing down actually made me more productive. So, did it work? Bloating, gone. The 80% rule is magic. Skin. The evening soak plus sleep cleared my skin better than any expensive serum. Mind, I feel so much lighter. So the bottom line is that you don't need to move to Tokyo to find peace. You just need to stop treating your body like a machine and give it the calm it needs.